Hello guys, welcome to Programming Go. This is part 6 for Java for complete beginners. In this tutorial we gonna look at loops. I'm using Eclipse IDE as usual. So I'm going to create a new Java project and name it tutorial. Sorry, and name it tutorial 6. Click on next and then finish. Right click on the project folder and create a new class as usual. I will call this application and click finish. And to create a main method, I will type main and press Ctrl space and hit enter. Here we got some bad formatting, not enough indent, so to deal with that I'm gonna select it all and press Ctrl Shift F. Now it's completely formatted. Okay, in the first tutorial we saw the boolean type which can be used to store a true or false value. Let me see boolean, let's say loop, you will get this later, and type true and this out, control space, let me output loop, and if I run this I shall get true value. Now what I can also do is to set a value equals to something. Let's say 4 is smaller than 5, and if I run this it will get true because 4 is smaller than 5 as we all know, and if I say 4 is greater than 5 we shall get false here. Now I can also use an variable here. I can say for example int value equals 10, and let me change in boolean loop value is smaller than 20. Now if I run this we get true because value means 10 which is smaller than 20. Now we can use this to control a loop and to create a loop in Java. I could use while, and here I need some conditions. Condition is what determines when the loop stops, or I should say it determines when the loop will run, because as long as the condition I typed is true the loop will run. So if I say value is smaller than 10, system let me output something like hello and change this to 0. As the value is always is smaller than 10, if I run this we get infinite loop, never stops. What I can do to make this more interesting is here I can say value plus 1. Here let me type value equals value plus 1. So what's happening is, so it start with value 0 and then the condition is true, so the loop start to execute and we output some text, and then we say whatever the value is add 1 to it and store it back in value itself. So value is gonna increase from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and eventually it will be equals to 10, and then this condition is not true and the loop will stop. So if I run this you can see we get 10 hellos. To see this more clearly let me also output value And now if I run this, we get 10 values starting from 0 to 9. While is the keyword, and this is a condition which is in round brackets, and after the keyword, and after that we got a pair of curly brackets, and your code that you want to execute repeatedly goes here. Of course you need something here that would gradually count the loop and eventually make this condition false. The best way to learn this is not depend on it too much, which is try typing out yourself, try to create loops, and pretty soon you will get addicted to it. That's over for this tutorial. In the next we gonna look at for loop, which is a little bit more complicated but extremely useful. So guys, till then, keep watch this video. Do like, subscribe and share this video with your friend. Till then, keep learning.